Hello kids! Welcome to Easy Kids Art. Today we are drawing a cute penguin. Let's start with the eyes. Draw two big round eyes. Then add a small beak and a happy, smiling mouth. Next, draw the round head. Don't forget to draw a warm scarf around the neck. Now, continue with the chubby body. Add the wings on the sides and little feet at the bottom. Great job! Now it's time to color. Use orange or yellow for the beak and feet. Color the scarf with blue. Color the body with black and white. Add a little darker shade for shading to make it look more lively. You can also color the snow with light blue. And done! Your cute penguin is ready!